let's create a screen to display if the player gets to the end of the level. So again, not a lot different about what we've done before, but we do remember have to wire it into the game. So as we did before, go into GUI, UI template, right click, new inherited scene. Double click where it says control, and I'm going to say you made it. And save. In the usual place, save. Okay. Let's do the signal thing first. So I'm sure you can remember I remove that script, I add another one, and I change the inheritance from control to UI template. So I'm inheriting from my template. And that looks good. It's a default script. I'm going to change it to an empty script. Create. There we go. All right, good. Button play. Into node, into signals, and we want pressed. Connect it to the parent node. You made it. Get our script. So this time, what do we want to do? We want to get tree, change scene to file, and then it's going to be the welcome screen. Where is the welcome screen? It's down there. Okay, that looks good. Okay, HBox container. Let's go back into 2D. Message large font. Back into inspector. You made it. Horizontal align center. And let's again override the theme and make it 48 pixels in size. A mesh is small font. Think you could do it better? Question mark. Press play again for another go. And again, horizontal align to the left. Horizontal align to the center. All right, good. Let's have a look at button play. Change the text to play again. Okay. Save. I wonder if we could create a gap in where it says press play again for another go by pressing enter and doing a new line. That'd be really hacky, but it would also be really quick. So, message small font. Yeah, look at that. Save. And if you wanted to create a space between the two buttons, you could do that with another margin container. Just instantiate another margin container and make it about the same size as that and just stick it between the two nodes. I'm going to leave it like that for the sake of time. Let's test. Clapperboard. Play again. Takes me to the opening screen, the welcome screen. Play Robot Miner. Launches the game, excellent. And let's just test that quit works. Quit works. All right. Now, this screen appears when you've completed the level. So we need to wire it up to the exit portal of the level. So that is in, I believe, Is it in world? Yeah, it's in world and it's door.tscn. So let's open up that. And let's open up the script. So we're going to script view. So when player detector is entered by the player, because we had the collision layer set up to only detect the player, the animation player will play the open animation. If we look at that, go to open, we animate the door, and then when the door has finished animating, we call this function here, reset game. So all we need to do is do something a little bit different. Again, we need to reset the global, so let's do that now. Global dot life. Is it life or is it energy? Global dot energy. What was it? 70 when we start. Equals 70. Global dot enemies destroyed equals 0. And then we need to go get tree dot change scene to file. Should give us a choice, and again we want the welcome screen. There we go, down there. Save it. Alright, in order to test this, we have to play a level of the game. This might take a while. I tell you what, shall I cheat? 2D, move the player right to the end. And play this scene. Okay. I think I've changed the scene to the wrong screen. So let's just go into the door again. Script view. I don't want welcome. Get rid of that. Change scene to file. I want... see, I put the inverted commas in and it gives me a choice. I want you made it. Where is you made it? Well, I saved it. Save. You made it. Alright, cool. Save it. Play level 1 again. My slightly cheating level 1. Get to the end. Approach the door opens. You made it. Think you could do better. Press play for another go. Play takes me to the welcome screen. Let me just test again. And quit the game. All right, that completes our section on the user interface. I have moved my player back to the start, and I need to perform one more final action before we are done with our UI section. So close everything down. And I need to go into my project settings. And it's my run menu. And I need to change the default scene to... Where are we? We're in GUI. And we want to change it to the welcome scene. And close. Right, let's play the game using the play button. The game opens on my welcome screen. I press play robot miner and my game opens on level 1. Okay. And finally, let's go into our GUI scene and open the actual GUI. What we need to do is go into GUI. Oh, is it going to work? Go into the label and look for theme. Theme. Quick load. It loads the only theme I've got. And hey presto, our value changes to our new theme. Shall we override the theme and make it just a teeny bit smaller? Font styles. Yeah, okay, because it's 46. So let's make it 24. Oh, is 24 okay? 36. That looks good. Okay, save that. And close it down, and we're done. All we have to do now is do the music, and then we can think about publishing the game. So, huge amount of progress, and we are nearly at the end. Okay,